Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can solve a TikTok black screen problem. So this problem is caused by poor internet, app bugs, or device glitches. This tutorial covers all the best fixes to get your TikTok working again. For that, first of all, you want to make sure you have a strong and stable internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data to test. Sometimes it's just a signal issue. After that, you want to go ahead and simply reopen TikTok again. Go ahead and simply close the TikTok completely and then reopen it. A fresh launch often fixes temporary glitches like black screen. And after that, you want to go ahead and simply open up your settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage. Inside here, select TikTok, then tap on Upload App, tap on Offload App again. After you have offloaded it, go ahead and simply tap on Reinstall App. And once you have done that, head back to your home screen and make sure TikTok is updated. For that, open up your App Store and then in the search bar, simply search for TikTok. Once you search for it, go ahead and simply tap onto it. And if it says update instead of open, go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. So bug fixes can also resolve black screen issues. After it is updated, you want to go ahead and restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix app display issues. So go ahead and power off your phone, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. And after that, you want to go ahead and simply check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, go ahead and uninstall TikTok application from your device and then reinstall it again. And that's it, your TikTok black screen issue should be now fixed. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.